everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up Facebook lead ads integration with your CRM. So let's suppose I am running software development firm and I am promoting this business with the help of Facebook lead ads. Now I want that whenever I receive a new lead, it should be automatically added as a contact in my CRM. Here I am taking Agile as my CRM and I want to add all my leads in the CRM. As I completely want to automate this process, I am going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Facebook lead ads and Agile. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here as my trigger application, I am going to take Facebook lead ads from where I will receive new lead, and this complete workflow here will get triggered. And then in my action application, I am going to take Agile where all these contacts will be added automatically. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up Facebook lead ads integration with your CRM. Now here I have taken Agile as my CRM and I have set up an automation workflow between Facebook lead ads and Agile with the help of Pabbly Connect, such that whenever I receive new lead in my Facebook lead ads, it is automatically created as a contact in my Agile. Now let's quickly check this automation workflow whether it is working fine or not. Here I am going to submit a form in my Facebook lead ads, and as soon as I submit this, a contact will be created in Agile. So let's quickly open my form. This is the page by the name Tech Tribe and I am going to submit this lead form. For that I am going to click on this preview form and I have entered my first name as admin, last name as user, then my email address as admin@pabblytudes.com and then my phone number as, and then I have to click on this continue and then I have to click on this submit. I have successfully submitted my form and now I will quickly move to my Agile CRM account. This is my Agile CRM account and on the left hand side where I can see the CRM, I will open this contacts option. And over here I can see that I have instantly created this as my contact. The name was admin user, the email address was admin@pabblytudes.com and this was the phone number. So this is how this automation workflow will perform, and now let's quickly start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up Facebook lead ads integration with your CRM. For this, we are going to create automation between Facebook lead ads and Agile with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, we can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in. But if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I have to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you simply have to click on this plus icon and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow for which I need to click on this create workflow button. And first I need to provide the workflow name and then I have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first let's name this workflow as how to set up Facebook lead ads integration with your CRM, and now I have to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created and I want to select this Facebook lead automations and then click on create. Now as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to set up my Facebook lead ads integration with the CRM that I have taken as Agile. So here whenever I will receive new lead in my Facebook lead ads, a contact will be created in Agile, which means whenever I will receive new lead in my Facebook lead ads, this complete workflow here will get triggered. because trigger says when this happens. So whenever I receive a new lead in my Facebook lead ads, and then action says do this, then create a contact in my Agile CRM account. So here in my trigger application, I am going to take Facebook lead ads, and then in my trigger event, I am going to take this new lead instant. Now I have to click on this connect, and if you have an existing connection, you can click on the save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection and then click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Now over here I have already logged in my Facebook account, and that's why I just need to continue as that account. And it is always advisable to keep your applications logged in for the easy authorization, and here authorization successful. So Facebook lead ads is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter the page name and the lead gen form. So to enter this, let's open my Facebook. So this is my Facebook account, and this is the page that I have created by the name Tech Tribe, and I want to run all my advertisements with the help of this page. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, and from this drop down select my page name as Tech Tribe, and then I have to enter the lead gen form. Now in this drop down I can see all the forms that have been created in this page, and to enter this we have to open Meta for Developers. So this is the app dashboard of Meta for Developers, and you can visit this by typing developers.facebook.com. Now after visiting this, we have to click on this resources, and then we have to click on this developer tools. Now if I scroll down, I can see this lead ads RTO debug tool. I will open this, and this lead ads testing tool will appear in front of me. Now I have to select my page and the form. So in this drop down I can see all the pages, and our page is Tech Tribe. So I will select that, and in this drop down I can see this lead form. So this lead form has first name, last name, email and phone number. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, and from this drop down select my form as lead form. Now I have to click on this save and send test request. Over here I can see this waiting for the webhook response, and under this it is written, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now this means, so as to get the webhook response over here, I need to do a test submission, for which I need to open my lead ads testing tool, and I have to do a form submission from over here. If Pabbly Connect received this response, this form submission here in this workflow, this means the connection that we have created between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect, that connection is successful. So let's open my lead ads testing tool, and from over here I have to submit the form. But before submitting the form, I have to make sure that I first delete the lead, and then I have to refresh this page once. And after that I have to select my page again, which was Tech Tribe, and my form was lead form. Now I have to click on this preview form. So this form has appeared in front of me, first name, last name, email and phone number, and now I am going to enter some dummy details in all these fields. So let's say my first name is new, my last name is user, my email address is new@pabblitudes.com, and my phone number is this one. Now I have to click on this continue, and then I have to click on this submit. I have successfully submitted my form, and this response should be captured in my Pabbly Connect. So let's open my Pabbly Connect, and over here I can see that I have instantly received the response. The first name that we submitted was new, the last name was user, email address was new@pabblitudes.com, and this was the phone number. So we have successfully received the response in Pabbly Connect, and now whenever someone will submit this form, I will start receiving the response here in my Pabbly Connect. This means the connection that we have created between Pabbly Connect and Facebook lead ads, it is successful, and now we have to move to the next step, that whenever I receive new lead from my Facebook lead ads, I want to add that in my CRM, and I have taken my CRM as Agile. So here in my action application, I am going to take Agile, and then in my action event, I have to take this create contact. Now I have to click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection, click on save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key. So it is written, log into your Agile account. To get the API key, go to settings and then API settings. So let me open my Agile account. This is my Agile dashboard, and on the bottom I can see the settings. I will open this. And then over here I can see this API settings. So I will open this. Now over here I am provided with the API key, and if you want to reset this API key, you have to click on this reset button, and then a new API key will be generated. Now that I am provided with the API key, I need to copy this and paste that here in my Pabbly Connect, and then click on the save. So Agile is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter all these details. So the first one is first name, and I am not going to enter this manually. Instead, I am going to use a method called mapping, which means I am going to enter data from my Facebook lead ads. Now as you can see, when I click on this first name field, this will appear in front of me, Facebook lead ads. And when I click on this, I can see all the responses that I have received from there. Now I need to enter my first name, which was this one. And then I have to follow the same process and enter my last name, which was user. And then the email address was new@pabblytudes.com, and this was the phone number. Now I have not received any response for any of these fields. So for now I am going to skip this and leave this blank. But if you have received the response, you can enter following the same process. Now in the role, I want to select this as lead. And now over here, mapping is important, so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static, and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any data, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now after entering all these details, I simply have to scroll down and click on the save and send test request. So here I can see I have received a response, and this is a positive response. Now I need to open my Agile account and check whether this contact has been created there or not. So let's open my Agile account, and on the left hand side I'll click on the CRM and then click on this contacts. And here we can see that we have created this new user. The email address was new@pabblytudes.com, and then this was the phone number. Now so as to check this automation one last time, let's open my lead ads testing tool again and fill some other form with some other details. But before submitting the form, I have to first delete the lead, and then I have to refresh this page once. And then I have to again select my page as Tech Tribe and the form as lead form, and then I have to click on this preview form. And this form has appeared in front of me, and now I'm going to enter some dummy details in all these fields. So I have entered my first name as latest, then my last name as user, then my email address as latest@pabblytudes.com, and then my phone number as this. Now I'm going to click on this continue and then click on this submit. Now as soon as I've submitted my form, a contact should be created in Agile. So let's open my Agile account. Let's go back. And over here I can see that I have again created this latest user as my contact automatically in Agile account. So the name was latest user, email address was latest@pabblytudes.com, and this was the phone number. Now to summarize, we took Facebook lead ads as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect and entered the page and the lead gen form. Then we submitted a form in my Facebook lead ads and received the response in my Pabbly Connect. After which we moved to the next step where we took Agile as our action application and we entered all these details with the help of mapping. We simply clicked on the save and send test request and received the response as these contacts been created in my Agile CRM account. So we have successfully created automation between Facebook lead ads and Agile with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.